it better to be good at academics than to be good at sports? Good day, everyone. If you had to choose, would you rather be great at academics or excel in sports? Academics provide knowledge and skills, while sports teach discipline and teamwork. I'm Nicole Sardos QM, and I'm the speaker of Group 4. And today, I'll explain why being good at academics is better for long-term success in life. First, academics teach important skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and communication. These skills are useful in both careers and daily life, while sports develop teamwork and discipline. These benefits are mostly for physical activities. Second, academics offer more career options. Professions like medicine, engineering, and teaching require education and offer stability. In contrast, sports careers are rare, short, and depend on physical health. Lastly, education helps us grow and solve big problems like poverty or climate change. Sports build characters and community, but they cannot shape the future like education does. In the end, both academics and sports have their value, but academics offer a stronger foundation for a successful and meaningful life. Knowledge empowers us to create, innovate, and solve the challenges of tomorrow, while the glory of sports may fade. The skills and opportunities gained through education last a lifetime. So, as we strive for excellence, let us prioritize what builds not just our future, but the future of our world.